Hey everybody, it's David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Let's roll. Today's tip is going to be a quote from our Uncle G, Grant Cardone, pulled right off of the Twitter. If you're not following Grant on the Twitter or me, at Grant Cardone and then at David R. Bradley, make sure you follow us both over there. We're one of the few people that are actually still tweeting out positive stuff on Twitter, so stay positive on the Twitter if you can. Anyway, here's the quote. I'm not bitter. I love Twitter. Okay, here's a quote. I am not going to work, Grant says. I am going to work a schedule. I am not going to do a job. I'm going to prosper. I'm going out into the marketplace to eat what I kill. And he ends the quote with, that's the environment that you're in. So if you are in sales and you grew up on the idea about go to work, put it in, get rid of it. Chuck it. It's not going to help you. It is not going to serve you. The environment that we're in, you need to go to work to prosper. Go to work to prosper. So once again, I'm not going to work, Grant says. I'm not going to work a schedule. I'm not going to do a job. I'm going to prosper. I'm going out into the marketplace to eat what I kill. That's the environment you're in, I'm in, we're all in. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, visit cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great. Nothing else pays.